Renonpower products are manufactured under stringent quality standards. Our integrated production process strictly adheres to the highest international quality management systems. Clients can rest assured that Renonpower products are made with the highest standards of quality. In order to maintain the quality consistency of production, we adopt different types of management system. The first one is CS16949 Quality Management System. At Renon, quality control starts from the very beginning. Our rigorous incoming material inspection ensures that only the best raw material goes into our products. Renon's commitment to quality extends to our standard operating procedures. Every step of our production process is guided by comprehensive SOP work instructions. Once the assembly is complete, we conduct a thorough first sample confirmation to ensure that all components are integrated correctly. This step guarantees that our products achieved stringent quality standards. Our commitment to quality is unwavering. Each product is subjected to strict inspection, comprehensive records for reference, and continuous improvement. Our after-sales service by 4 groups of professional technical after-sales support team, product assembly, commissioning, monitoring, remote service, one-stop service, solve the customer's worries. The company's product warranty of 10 years. At Renon, quality control is the foundation of our success. Through our rigorous inspections, meticulous testing, and unwavering attention to detail, we guarantee products will achieve the highest standard. Trust Renon for unparalleled quality.